How to create a shirt in Roblox. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly create a shirt in Roblox. So I'll demonstrate the process of designing a shirt on the Roblox. So make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's delve into the steps. First of all, you have to open the Roblox. Simply go to the roblox.com in your web browser and hit enter. Then you will be directed to the official Roblox website. Now navigate to the create section from the home page to access the shirt template. And once you have obtained the template, open your preferred editing software. Remove the existing colors from the template to create a blank canvas for your design. Now next add textures and shading to enhance the realism of the shirt. Ensure proper layering of the elements and adjust the colors as desired. Customize the shirt by modifying the sleeve length, adding grip textures, and adjusting the neckline as well. Once satisfied with the entire design you made, export the file as a PNG with the specific dimensions. Now simply return to the Roblox and click on upload and simply upload the shirt design from your PC. Now name it, set a price, and make it available for the sale. Remember that the portion of the earnings will be deducted as a fee. Monitor the upload process and ensure that the shirt is approved for the sale on the platform. So by following the simple steps, you can successfully create and sell your custom shirt design on Roblox. If you found this guide to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more amazing tips and tutorials. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Thank you for your viewership, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.